life in the Philippines. Today we're just gonna go and do a little bit of apartment hunting for Janice's sister and family. They're living up in a place called Severa, which is pretty far out, and they work on the opposite side of the town, so they want to come back into here where it's a little more central. So we are going to go today for a little apartment hunting, and at the same time we're going to show you this barangay where we live in, because we're going to try to find something here first. If we don't, we might move over to the Dao home site. We live in Barangay Dao, subdivision is San Isidro, and we're going to hunt around there a little bit. So let's go together and try to find something. All right, guys, let's take a little walk inside our barangay here. Right here is the little house project, our neighbor's house project. They're making progress every day here, actually. Started looking pretty good. They got the gate up, as you can see over there. And they're starting to do some finishing on the outside. As you can see up there, they're setting up their balcony. And they're going to have open air up there. Pretty interesting combination. And up there you can see they have put steel bars up to prevent anybody from coming inside there. Today it's a scorching hot day. The sun is just like right on top of us. I would say, did you check the temperature this morning? No. My guess would be about 33 degrees Celsius, in the 90s Fahrenheit, or at least low 90s. And the way we protect ourselves from the sun is I'm going to show you here. My wife, she's wearing an umbrella, and it ain't raining for sure. It is not raining for sure today. Oh, come on now, come on now, come on now. There is quite a few dogs here, which sometimes could be a nuisance if you live here. But we have to accept it. So we're just going to walk down here. Several areas here have, newly remodeled apartments. I'm going to try to document. Yeah, this is actually Gamivi Apartments. That's what it is called. Yeah, we actually lived in the house right there across the corner.
That's our second apartment.
And that's our second apartment here when we were here in the after I came to the Philippines. We lived there for about, how long? 2 years maybe?
Yeah, 2 years.
2 years, and then we moved over to where we are today. More for convenience. We had a little food business there for a while, and I decided to close it down. It was more work than it was worth. It was making money, but not enough for me to be interested to work 12, 15-hour days. I'm too old for that. So, but generally, Barangay Dao is a fairly nice barangay. There's a
Shibon is over there.
who?
Shibon.
Where is she? Oh.
The car's over there.
Oh, did you see her or yeah?
No, but
Right.
They're beeping.
Yeah. I think they have closed the sari store here.
It's because the old lady is passed away last
Well,
year.
she wasn't that old.
No, head stroke.
Huh?
Ay,
She had a stroke, right?
yeah.
She had a stroke and passed away. And the thing here is there is not a whole lot of apartments for rent here. It's a popular place, fairly safe, no crimes or very little crime, and people just love it here. All right, let's continue to try to walk down here a little bit and see if we can find anything. It is, it's a quiet day today. So what's down there? Is that apartments too?
The one is a school.
Oh, that's a school, okay. It almost looks like an apartment building.
No.
Right, so we'll go down this way and see what we can find out. Here we got another construction project. That's one thing people are.
Oh, this one is new.
Yeah, this is all new here, and looks like there's apartments in there too.
Yeah, but it's not gated. It's not one.
No,
they want.
they want one gate. Yeah.
Yeah, they don't want.
Yeah, that's the problem too. You know, they have dogs, and that is a little difficult sometimes to find places. In here, it looks like we have an automotive shop. They're working in here. Yeah. There's a car coming. And you have some Halo stores. We've been walking around here for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, 30 minutes, and so far we have not seen one rental sign. What are these flowers called?
We call it
Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea. Ah, yeah, that's what it is.
On my
Bougainvillea.
dialect, Bougainvillea.
Yeah. Yeah, this barangay, it is pretty big.
Yeah, I was selling Halo.
Yeah. Is there a for rent sign there? No. One said, God shall bring all work into judgment. Well, I guess that's true. So, here you can see a little bit about the local election, councilors, and when is the election, honey? It's in May, April? I think the election is in May. And it's very local.
Area is so very windy because there's a lot of mango tree, any kind of tree.
Right.
And it's also season.
Season for mango and papaya. And my wife is scratching my head with the umbrella here. Go down that way, we can go. We go down that way, we can go and take a peek at Rimaven, huh? Well, we can just,
Have a clearance.
yeah, you can get clearance at the gate, I think, if they have a real estate agent there. But we're not going to do that today.
It's hot.
Do we turn here? Yeah. So far, we have not seen a whole lot. But at the same time we're walking here, we thought, you know, we'll show our subscribers a little bit about the neighborhood and how we live here. And this is incredible engineering. How they figure out their cable companies here and electric and everything. It's beyond me. Look at that. It is like a mess, but I guess they have it figured out somehow.